Chapter 1, Shloka 19.
Snapshot. Sound itself can become a weapon.
Sanskrit. Ghoṣo dhārtarāṣṭrāṇāṁ hṛdayāni vyadārayat. Nabhaś pṛthivīṁ caiva tumulo'bhy-anunādayan ekanvanesi. Transliteration. Ghoṣo dhārtarāṣṭrāṇāṁ hṛdayāni vyadārayat. Nabhaś pṛthivīṁ caiva tumultuous.
Meaning, that tumultuous sound pierced the hearts of the sons of Dhritarashtra and reverberated through earth and sky.
Then the Pandavas' conches shattered the Kauravas' confidence, echoing across heaven and earth.
Now fear enters not by swords but by signals, words, signs, or even silence can weaken opponents before the real fight.
Takeaway: victory begins with morale. Guard your heart, for battles are lost inside before outside.